Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to mute notifications in Slack. So first go to Slack, the website or app, and go to your profile right here on the lower left. Click on it, and as you can see there is a pause notifications here under set yourself away, and just click on it and you can adjust the time. So mine is currently paused and I can resume it if I wanted to, but if you want to adjust the time, you could set it for like 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, or until tomorrow. But you could also set it to a custom time. So click on that. You can set the date if you want, like next week or something. So something like that. And you can also set the time if you want to. Then once you're done, you can just click on post notifications. And if you want to resume it, just click again on your profile. Go hover on the post notifications right here and just click on resume notifications. So as you can see, it's now gone. You can just do it again if you want to. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply click below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.